Imagine the hours you have put in to make something and it's finally over. The 6 continuous hours of work you were doing in front of your laptop is finally going to pay off. You just need to save this file and you are done for the day. You click on Save File, sitting there, smiling. In that one tiny second, you imagine all the happy things you're going to do once you shut this thing down. But why is it taking so long to save a single file? We have all been victims of slow systems. We all want a computer that runs at maximum efficiency. It feels as if it takes an eternity at times. All computers will eventually slow down. As software becomes more demanding, how your computer responds to these changes can have a significant impact on its overall performance. There are a number of factors that can cause your computer to slow down, and they tend to get worse over time. It's very rare that we understand these problems and actually work on them. But don't worry, we did the trial and error for you and found out 8 effective ways in which you can speed up your computer or Mac. Try them and let us know what works for you in the comments below. Number 8. Uninstalling unnecessary software. Sometimes your computer comes preloaded with applications installed by software companies that many people won't use, but that can eat up system resources, or we often download software to our machines without giving it much thought. It might be used once and then never again. When you get a pop-up asking you to update a program you've never used before, you'll know it's one of these. One of the reasons that these programs slow down your computer is that they frequently start up automatically when you turn it on. It's better to delete them. You just have to go to the All Apps menu by pressing the Start button. You can see a list of all the applications you've installed as well as those you haven't. When you've found the program you want to remove, right-click on it. You will see the Options menu. Cortana, the Windows assistant, is also useful because it can search for programs in its search box. You'll see a list of the apps you've used recently and which are taking up the most space. Following a review of what's installed, you can determine which programs can be removed to improve system performance. You'll also want to know which programs are required for your computer's proper operation and which can be removed. If you're not sure whether you want these applications permanently deleted, use the aforementioned menus to take a closer look at the apps you want to get rid of. Number 7. Get rid of unnecessary files. This one is rather simple but a little tedious work. If you took out the time to look through your computer, you'd notice a stack of duplicate files. Another thing you'll notice in your folders is the junk files. These duplicate files, temporary internet files, and junk files can eat up valuable hard space, which makes the computer slow. Removing them will significantly improve the speed of your computer. You can use Disk Cleanup. It allows you to determine which applications and files in your computer can be deleted. You can go to the program by using the Start button or the Cortana search box. A quick scan will reveal any temporary files, installer applications, or web pages you haven't used or don't require. It will delete them automatically, freeing up some space. There are also third-party programs that can be helpful in clearing out files that you don't use anymore. Number 6. Add more RAM to your PC. For years, increasing RAM memory has been a tried and true method of speeding up devices. Although some business and gaming laptops allow for a RAM expansion, doing so can be difficult. It's much easier and less expensive to add more RAM to desktop computers. In about an hour, anyone with a basic understanding of the interior of a desktop tower can install more RAM. You can also have more RAM installed in your computer by taking it to a professional shop. If you're concerned about compromising your system or doing it incorrectly, getting advice from someone who knows what they're doing can put your mind at ease and make adding more memory simple. Number 5. Disable startup programs. When your computer starts up or boots, Windows automatically launches a number of programs. Some of them are required while others just eat up space. You won't notice anything if you disable them, except for the fact that your machine will boot up much faster. To learn how to use this method to speed up your computer, follow these steps. Firstly, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. Then type msconfig and press the Enter key. After that, select Hide All Microsoft Services from the Services tab. And lastly, at startup, uncheck the programs you won't need. If you change your mind about these products, repeat steps 1 and 2 and check the programs you want to use during startup on the services list. Usually, disabling startup programs do the trick. Number 4. Check for spyware and viruses. It's nearly impossible to avoid catching a virus while surfing the web. Some programs aren't viruses in and of themselves, but their mere presence causes problems. Getting rid of viruses and malware is an excellent way to boost your computer's performance. The solution is extremely straightforward. Antivirus and/or anti-malware software should be installed. Third-party programs also come into handy here. They are simple to set up and very effective at removing any spyware that has infiltrated your computer. Some applications are better than others, and some may take up more storage space, causing speed issues. You need to find software that's quick to remove malware and doesn't take up a lot of space on your computer. A little research can assist you in locating software that fits your budget and is compatible with your operating system. If you're downloading free software, be sure to double check everything before installing it to avoid any problems. Number 3. Restart occasionally. This is a very simple process many of us ignore. It's easy to leave your Mac system or computer on without shutting it down, especially on that favorite sleep mode. It's all too easy to forget to turn off your systems. One of the most appealing aspects of using an Apple product is that it is usually ready when you are. But when you restart your computer after saving data, the RAM gets a fresh start, and any unused apps or processes running in the background that aren't needed are removed, making your computer faster and more efficient. Number 2. Stay updated. Actively updating apps on a system or the operating system itself not only provides you with the most recent features, but it also usually includes performance improvements that consume more system resources. You'll be well equipped to run the latest version of each updated program if you have the maximum amount of RAM installed and an SSD. To update Mac OS, follow these steps. Firstly, select Apple from the menu bar. Then, select System Preferences. Click Update Now or Restart Now if an update is available, and check the box next to Keep my Mac up to date automatically. Number 1. Swap your HDD for an SSD. Did the above methods did not work for you? Don't worry, we are not done yet. Sometimes making adjustments to your web browser or junk files isn't enough. The hardware might need some updations to get it back on track. Substitute a solid-state drive or SSD for your hard disk drive or HDD, which uses newer, faster technology. SSDs use less battery power, extending battery life up to 30 minutes. While SSDs are more expensive than HDDs, they can boot up and write data 5 times faster while producing less heat, noise, and vibration. Always remember to back up your data before upgrading to an SSD. To do this in Mac, use Apple's Time Machine tool. Make sure to format your new drive in a Mac-friendly format, preferably APFS+. To install an SSD in your Mac, you may need to go to an Apple store. And for other systems, find a qualified computer technician. We hope the above few methods tweak a little more performance out of your system. Make sure to regularly clean your Mac or computer using these handy tips so you can enjoy the best possible performance. Let us know in the comments below what worked for you. If you found the video helpful, please like and share. Subscribe to our channel for more such content, and see you in our next video.